Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you are a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of this Smart Trader family. And for the ones who wants to additional services, you can always WhatsApp my team 7892652481 to know what are the additional services and training details. And for the ones who wants to open an account through me to be a part of Telegram channel, you can click the link in the video description and open an account. You will be added to my Telegram channel only for learning. There is no recommendations in Telegram channel. It's only for pure learning and bonding. So whenever I'm free, I keep sending few learnings so that your mindset will learn or understand my methods, my way of thinking. I want people to understand my way of thinking. So those type of sharings and advices I'll be giving in the Telegram channel. So it's purely learning for mostly for beginners. So if you want to be part of it, you can also be part of it. So anyways, without wasting time, I'll start off with today's topic. So today we are going to discuss a little bit about the Nifty and the trades which I was observing and what I was asking the members to observe a bit. Okay, so if you see, Nifty has finally gone below 11,600 mark. So it has remained below the 11,600 mark, and if Nifty has to remain in bullish, then the next support is around 11,550 for Nifty. Considering all the indicators and technical analysis, the most of the indicators are giving a support at 11,550. So that is the level. It has to remain above that. If it breaks that and trades below that, then it can see further fall also as per the technical analysis what we learn. So if you see, Nifty made a spike here, and as you know, whenever Nifty makes a spike, there will be a sharp falls over here. These are 1 hour candles, and you see how it fell. Today, the first hour, there was a big fall in the market and a lot of people started shorting. But if you see, the second hour candle became a bit green, so market went up a little bit, stocks recovered a bit. So a lot of people get trapped between these. So you should be very careful when you trade such type of market. Be very careful because the volatility will increase over here. So we were observing few stocks here. If you go to this, I was observing few stocks over here which I was asking my members also to observe and learn from those levels. Only if it goes to those levels we will consider, if not we will not consider. So looking at that, for example, DCB Bank, if you know, DCB Bank is bullish and it was very going up today, even though the market was falling because of the second hour candle which was going up. DCB Bank all had the support to go up, so I took little bit bullish on DCB Bank and rest I was little bearish. So if I go to my Telegram channel, so for 20 seconds I was observing few things and I was sharing with my members to observe. So I always tell them observe about these levels. So this was DCB Bank futures and DCB Bank equity. So above futures above high and equity also above high. So the levels were 208.75. So the current price was 208.25 if you see. So we were looking only if it crosses 208.75. Can we observe 0.3% or more from that is what we were observing. Even though the market was red, we were going bullish in one particular stock considering the second candle was green. So I try to take advantage from 11.15 if it's 10.15 if you see. Same way later on DHFL I was bearish. If you see, 141.50 and 130.55 was the levels which we were looking. So only if it breaks that level will it give us 0.3%. If not, we will not consider those. Avoid such stocks. So we were observing that, and if you see, DCB Bank also from our level went up to 210.80 and futures also went to 210.65. So it is almost 2 rupees above from our level. So great, more than 0.3%, close to 1% also. DHFL also we were looking to short this particular stock, observing a stock to go down from 141.50 if it breaks that level. And if you see DHFL, where is it? Yeah. So 138.60. So how much? Almost 2-3 rupees has gone down. So almost 2% movement is there. So more than 0.3%. So we were observing, and if you see Reliance Capital, 130.55 was the number which we were looking, but because the stock didn't have a capacity to go and break its own low, so 130.55 only is the low. So it has not even gone down from that level. So good that it has not broken that level or missed to give that level. So we are not going to look into that particular stock. So the stocks which broke the levels which we were looking into has moved more than 0.3%. It has given 1% and 3% also. considering the market was bearish. Later on the market went down, so we got a good movement in this particular stock, that is the DHFL stock. Alright, so this is how we keep observing. Whenever I get free time, I keep sharing them certain things. I keep typing few messages what they have to think and how they have to react in such market. So whenever I have free time only, I will share here. This is only for learning purposes, strictly not for recommendations. I will not encourage anybody, only for people who wants to learn and have a bonding with me for lifetime. You will be added to this particular group, so only people who open an account through me will be added to this group, and whenever I get time I keep sharing certain things so that people can observe and get used to these ideas. Okay, so trade safe. Most of the days I will try to explain what I did in the market, so that tomorrow you also can think in the same way and try to take advantage during the positive side or the negative side in the market, and you can also trade based on that or learn based on that. So always, like I always tell, beginners should always do paper trading. You should not put your money, because you lose your money. Then later part you can't come back to the market if you lose the money. Same way, after you do paper trading, once your accuracy goes above 90%, that is when you will start CNC, cash and carry, not with leverage. Then when in future, if you're so confident with good experience of 2-3 years, then it's up to you to trade with leverage or not. It's not my recommendation, but I'm just telling you what the reality is. So trade safe, learn first, spend some time and take some time and learn. So no matter you learn from me or learn from anybody, just learning is unlimited. So learn from everyone and trade safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and share this video, and also subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.